Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we're going to make a classic steak sauce. So we're going to need 1.5 cups of ketchup, 1/4 cup each of balsamic vinegar and Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons each of onion and garlic powder, a half teaspoon each of salt, pepper, and celery seed, a dash of cayenne pepper, and about 2 tablespoons of sugar. So this recipe is pretty simple. We're just going to take our 1.5 cups of ketchup, and then we're going to add in all of our spices, the Worcestershire sauce, the balsamic vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then to that we'll add a shake or two of cayenne pepper, not too much, and whisk this until it's combined. And that's pretty much it. It's really simple. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.